And they started 1,000 paper cranes. It's a special origami. It's not only one piece of paper, but multiple pieces will make one model that is called unit origami. いきます。1. You say that. You say that. Ready? 2. 3. 6 million years ago, in a massive universe, a planet was born. A tree grew on the planet. More trees grew. A flower blossomed. More flowers filled the planet with beauty. The sky embraced them all as one. Time passed. The wind blew. Something grew inside. Do you know what they are? It's an origami toy. 今日この歌いたいですね。本当に嬉しいですよ。みんないるから私も歌っちゃいますよ。They came up with this design. This was shot out to the outer space. And then when it's little, it's so compact. And then when it goes to the outer space near the sun, it opens up and recharges tremendous energy and come back when it's recharged. Okay, everybody grab the paper. Printing side is out. If it's blank paper, don't worry. Choose half. Here's your first fold. Like a hot dog bun, sharp crease. How do you make that? You can put your finger on the folded edge. It's right here is the folded edge. And you pinch and then put your finger on it and you put your weight on it. Slide. Then from 1, you see the number 1 to number 2. You will fold a triangle, this gray square to fold it in half to triangle. You made a boat. It's a hat. Put this together. Hello, how are you?
Brendan and Evelyn raised their hand. I don't know if they have a question.
Yes.
Actually, we don't.